Here are three lessons that I've learned in my 6 years of programming. They aren't about tutorials, books, or even courses. This is about having the right mindset. First, doing overseeing. It is similar if you watch football for 2 hours every day for the next 6 months. Would you become a professional footballer? No. This is what many new programmers struggle. They get stuck in tutorial hell and keep on watching tutorials, but that leads nowhere. The second is letting go of the frameworks. It's cool to know all the latest frameworks, building complex projects, but trust me, at the beginning, it is a waste of time. Instead, start from basics, build simple stuff, fail 1,000 times. This will make you a better programmer, and these are your steps to success. The last is to prefer challenges over comfort. After a while, you get comfortable in doing whatever you have been learning. At this point, a lot of programmers stop experimenting. This is the time to push yourself, try new things, and this is the only way to become a better programmer. I think this covers most of it. If you think this video added some value to you, do leave a like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.